so we're just cruising to the show, and hello, gang gang. Another one, clean Jetta. Another clean Jetta. R32. No, Tahoe, you're blocking the view. Jetta wagon. S4.
No way.
Gang gang.
That one's clean.
Golf R back there. Bro, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the last video and kind of that little intro that I just put there, we are headed to Big Socal Euro. Supposedly like one of the largest car meets for European cars on the West Coast. We are down at Qualcomm Stadium in San Diego. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. It's gonna be a good one. Also, so if you're wondering why I'm not in a cool Audi, there's a burrito. It is because the Audi actually broke on me yesterday. I blew out my driver's side catalytic converter from all the heat being dual pulley. So it is sitting out of shop right now, waiting for me to kind of make a decision on it. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with test pipes, possibly do some high flow cats farther down on the system, just so it's not as stinky. But there's a good benefit to doing that. You know, I can get rid of a lot of the heat out of the exhaust instead of creating any sort of back pressure, like creeping up towards the valves. So that's going to really help a lot with power, as well as keeping the engine kind of cooler.
Is he going?
I'm currently talking to my camera.
He's with Steven, by the way. He doesn't fucking mention that.
Rolling in with the squad that I don't even know in my 4Runner. Oh, it's so clean. Dang. So we made it here to the show a little bit early. There's a bunch of cars kind of rolling in. I'm expecting like this entire thing just to be filled. We got all the Volkswagens rolling in over there, a bunch of M4s, 3s on that side, a couple FRSs right here. All the BMWs rolling up. Whoa, Volkswagens. Look at them all. What is that? Dang. Oh, these old buses. Dang. Oh, I want this bumper. So clean. Have those brakes too. Yeah. All right, so I'd just like to point out the most like insane build here. Carbon splitter, carbon wheels, side skirts, mirrors, Alcantara cage, some like carbon plate in the back, like F1 style steering wheel. This is insane. Carbon roof box, like come on. It's clean. What is that? That's insane. Alright, we're finally entering the show. Time to go check out all these cool cars. Check out this color on this F80. It's like a sandstorm gray almost, or like... This might be the most insane Audi here. Look at this. It's like Lamborghini heads or something. This is crazy. want so bad. Check out this wild flared RS7.
Oh, this is a girl, by the way, this guy. Hey. Hi.
Look at this, so wide. So wide. Alright, so he's gonna pop the hood for me.
Part of this thing.
Gotta see what engine work's been done.
So bad. Siren.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's so hot. There we go.
Stage 3 in all its glory.
So like, 3-wheel. Want to see more of this car? Check him out on Instagram right here. Boom_RS7. Audi race car. The R34 GTR is somehow here. RS4, RS4. What the fuck? Full carbon? Oh, this is insane. This is insane. Wow. Props to this wrap. This is a really cool idea. Somehow Ubers and Lyfts, doubt it. But I like this hood. I want this on my car. Is it functional? Low key.
People's choice of work.
Damn. Shit. This is crazy. Wow.
In fact, I'll put mine there too.
Sit so far back. GT3 RS. There's Eric's car. RS5 gang. Here we go. Hey Alex, if you're watching this, he has a bigger turbo than you. He could probably beat me. RWB. Favorite car here. There it is. It's like a lime green RWB.
Challenge.
Cloudy.
Staged and ready to go.
Oh, with the wide.
753, a 753.
That's
That's the Civic, you know, that's the one you take off, bro.
It's gonna be a close one.
Yeah. Look at this F-Sport is clean though.
Yeah.
Fire.
Go Audi!
That shit's just loud.
Bro, my story is so big right now. Oh my god, bro, everyone.
What's wrong?
Right here.
Oh, he's not gonna race.
That'd be my bet.
Wow. Driver error.
Bro, my story is so big right now. Oh my god, bro, everyone.
What's wrong?
They have a red color. Damn.
And there you go. That's the burnout I got a picture of. It has the highest likes of any pictures on my IG. Feel free to add to it. I'm about ready to... of the night for the Ford Mustang. Here we go.
Nice job.
And a red light left. Speed 4, you're in for a treat. Because this is a mid-engine driven VW bus. Comes complete with a small block Chevy. Right behind the driver's seat. This thing is cool. Get your cameras out now.
That's him.
Oh, you didn't know? Oh, yeah, okay. You about to find out. He's even going home Saturday.
Behind the wheel.
This is him.
2018. Staged and ready, San Diego. Fastest pass of the night is 674.
RS3 going out for a pass. There we go. RS3s are completely dominating today. Fastest car so far. Another RS3 going out for a pass.
All right, let's go racing, everybody. Here we go.
I thought I heard a GTR. What? So I don't know if you guys remember when we got here, the parking lot was absolutely empty. Now it's completely filled up. This is crazy. As we're kicking it here at the gas station after big Socal Euro, there's like a bunch of E92s rolling up. This one sounds really good. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed today's video of Big Socal Euro. I had an absolute great time. I'll definitely be coming to this next year. So stay tuned for the next video. I don't know what it'll be. Maybe I'll be able to get some test pipes on the S4. We'll see. And once again, thank you for watching and see you all next one.